Indonesia. Its land and waters are home to more biodiversity than any other country in the world. Spread across more than 13,000 islands, Indonesia contains the world's third largest tropical rainforest. Indonesia's island of Sulawesi is a global hotspot for biodiversity. Scientists have rated the island of Sulawesi as the highest priority area for conservation in all of Southeast Asia. Sulawesi has countless endemic animal and plant species found nowhere else in the world. Tompotika is a little heaven in Sulawesi, Indonesia. The mountain and the coast are like green gems. The ocean holds a wealth of life. And the heart of Tompotika forest is a treasure house of biodiversity. Tompotika is home to at least 10 endemic animal species found only in Tompotika and nowhere else. This magical place is also a haven for many rare species that are threatened with extinction, like the remarkable maleo. Tompotika is home to the world's healthiest nesting ground for the critically endangered maleo bird, a cultural icon and official mascot for the people of Sulawesi. Conservation efforts by the Alliance for Tompotika Conservation, ALTO, working in partnership with local residents, have helped the population of this rare bird increase sevenfold over 16 years. To the human community in Tompotika, forest and nature are everything. Tompotika is their home, and nature is their source of life.
Saya itu cinta sekali sama hutan karena memang sejak dari kecil dari orang tua saya itu saya hanya bisa hidup dalam hutan dan bisa menafkahi hidup saya atau keluarga saya hanya dari hutan. Jadi saya bangga sekali dengan hutan.
Saya dengan hutan tentu sangat erat sekali, sangat erat sekali karena memang sumber air kita dari sini, sumber daya alam kita, misalnya damar, rotan juga dari sini di Gunung Tompotika.
Kalau saya sebagai perempuan, maunya sih jangan kasih rusak tuh hutan. Kalau memang hutan sudah rusak, apalagi yang kamu mau dapat? Kami harus pindah dari sini. Misalnya, kalau air dari atas tidak ada lagi, berarti kami semua sudah mati di sini. Tapi sekarang kami masih aman, karena air masih ada.
Tompotika is a shining example of our planet's tropical rainforest. Rainforests are essential for stabilizing the Earth's climate by absorbing and storing carbon dioxide, producing oxygen, regulating the water cycle, and much, much more. Their loss affects all life on this planet. And Tompotika is now threatened with destruction by nickel mining activities, driven largely by the huge surge in global demand for electric vehicles, which use nickel in their batteries. Nickel production in Indonesia increased 14-fold between 2014 and 2022, and this trend is expected to continue. At least 18 new commercial nickel mines are proposed just for the Tompotika area alone. Although small-scale mining has already been present in Tompotika for years, mining on this scale could devastate the area.
There are sensitive areas in Tompotika which simply actually not suitable at all for mining activities. ALTO hopes that we can keep destructive mining away from this area.
Nickel mining in Sulawesi removes the topsoil across large swaths of land, permanently destroying the rainforest. Mining runoff containing toxic chromium and other pollutants enter freshwater streams, poisoning water supplies for people and wildlife, and continues into the ocean, killing some of the world's richest coral reefs. This is what happened in the village of Mandiodo, southeast Sulawesi. Here, mining destroyed the rainforest and the home of the critically endangered maleo.
Sebenarnya di sini itu memang pusatnya maleo berkembang biak. Cuman karena akhir-akhir ini di 3 tahun sampai 4 tahun terakhir, dengan hadirnya tambang yang ada, perusahaan-perusahaan nikel yang ada yang menggerus ini tanah nikel, sehingga mereka ini maleo-maleo yang ada di desa Mandiodo itu merasa terganggu.
The maleo in Mandiodo has been extirpated by mining activities. Mining in Mandiodo is also destroying the lives of the people who live there, making life miserable and causing sickness and death.
Dulu tidak sama, sekarang ini panas terus, sekarang panas terus.
Yang tadinya sejuk, kita rasakan udaranya. Sekarang biar sudah sore, bahkan sudah jam 6, masih pengap kita rasa karena memang sudah gundul hutannya, sudah tidak ada sama sekali pepohonan yang ada. Sehingga sumber air sudah makin berkurang. Sehingga pengairan yang ada di masyarakat itu akan berkurang. Deposit air itu akan menurun drastis. Makanya dampaknya sangat besar sekali. Kemudian ini juga dampak yang paling terbesarnya kita rasakan banjir yang ada di desa Mandiodo. Dampak dari kemudian tatanan laut juga merasa terganggu di situ karena ikannya akan terusik dengan adanya polusi air. Sehingga nelayan kami sangat sulit untuk mereka dapatkan ikan karena ikan sudah pada menjauh.
The people of Tompotika don't want their home to become like Mandiodo. They care deeply about the forest and nature of Tompotika and want to preserve it. The Alto team have partnered with local communities in Tompotika for over 17 years to protect all nature, including people. Alto aims to ensure that the transition to clean energy is not made at the expense of our planet's richest natural areas and most vulnerable human communities. The people of Tompotika want the world to know that their home, Tompotika, and the wild plants and animals in it must be protected.
Tentu kesadaran masyarakat hari ini sudah sadar. Kita menjaga kelestariannya jangan sampai menimbulkan bahaya-bahaya agar supaya binatang-binatang atau hewan-hewan yang ada di seputaran Tompotika itu bisa hidup lebih nyaman. Hari ini di desa-desa lain maleo tinggal kenangan. Hari ini maleo kita masih ada, penyu kita masih ada, dan spesies lain masih ada. Ini yang perlu kita jaga dan kita lestarikan.
Alto is committed to preventing mining in the most sensitive landscapes and to ensuring that what mining is done according to internationally accepted best practices.
It is time for Indonesia to start following the international best practice in mining, such as by applying the IRMA standard. IRMA is initiative for responsible mining assurance. So we hope that we will be able to encourage the local mining companies to protect the local people and the biodiversity by improving the practicing by applying this IRMA standard.
Tompotika communities know that the prosperity of Tompotika does not depend on mining, but on healthy natural systems and sustainable livelihoods.
Kita berharap ada semacam lembaga-lembaga baik ALTO atau lembaga yang lainnya bisa bergandengan tangan untuk mendorong supaya kalau boleh ini di Desa Sampaka khususnya di Dusun 4 Tanah Merah tidak perlulah ada tambang. Karena begini, intinya kan tambang itu adalah untuk kesejahteraan. Kalau kemudian kalau kita tanpa tambang bisa sejahtera, kenapa tidak?
Kita berpikir, 1000 kali berpikir tentang tambang-tambang untuk masuk di desa. Kan kasihan masa depannya masyarakat terancam, anak cucu kita akan terancam. Buat apa kita banyak uang kalau desa kita sudah hancur? Kan sirna.
The key to a healthy, happy future for all nature, including people, in Tompotika and in the world, lies in protecting the forest and natural systems upon which all life depends.
Kita butuh dengan hutan, kita butuh dengan hewan-hewan yang ada demi kesinambungan bahwa hutan dan hewan dengan manusia tidak terpisahkan dengan kita.